Welcome to my modern homestead. My name is Janet, and you are joining us for our first edition of the 2023 Christmas Around the World. We are covering some of our most treasured traditions from different countries around the world. I started this when my children were little, and it has evolved to a month-long celebration of all the different ways countries around the world celebrate Christmas or don't celebrate Christmas. I hope you enjoy following along. Grab you a cup of something warm and delicious and join us. These videos will be mostly music and just following along with our activities, but there will be a little talking here and there. And the first country we're covering is Australia, where we will be doing Christmas by candlelight, which is very popular in Australia. We're using a Christmas tree as our candlelight. We'll be hanging the wreath on the door and enjoying a seafood lunch. And then we'll move to France, where we put up our nativities. And y'all, we recreated a soup from France. It's an authentic pumpkin soup from the 1600s. Oh my goodness, the people in the 1600s, they knew how to cook. So I hope you'll stick around and enjoy the video with us.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing.